Corfu, also known as Kerkera, is a captivating Greek island in the Ionian Sea. Renowned for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, Corfu offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Highlights of Corfu. Corfu town, the capital city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a charming maze of narrow street. Venetian architecture, and historic landmarks like the Old Fortress and the Palace of St. Michael and George. Achillean Palace. This opulent palace, built by Empress Elizabeth of Austria, boasts beautiful gardens, stunning views, and a collection of classical sculptures. Paleokastritsa, a picturesque village nestled amidst lush hills and cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the Ionian Sea. It's a popular destination for swimming, snorkeling, and boat trips. Beaches. Corfu boasts a diverse coastline with numerous beaches to suit every preference. From the cosmopolitan resorts of Kavos and Ipsos to the secluded coves of Paleokastritsa and Agios Gordios pagan. Food. Corfu's cuisine is a delightful fusion of Greek and Venetian influences. Enjoy fresh seafood, local specialties like sofrito and pastizzada, and delicious pastries. Festivals. Experience the vibrant local culture through festivals like the Corfu Carnival, one of the most famous in Greece. And the Feast of Agios Spiridon, the island's patron saint. Corfu town, the capital of the island of Corfu, is a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Here's a glimpse into what makes it so special. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. Venetian influence. The town is steeped in Venetian history, evident in its architecture, fortifications, and charming narrow streets. Old Fortress. This impressive 16th-century fortress offers panoramic views of the town and the harbor. New Fortress, another Venetian fortification, built in the 16th century, now houses a museum and art gallery. A cultural hub. Liston. This elegant arcade, reminiscent of Paris Rue de Rivoli, is lined with cafes, shops, and historic buildings. Spianada Square. One of Europe's largest city squares, it's a popular gathering place for locals and tourists alike. Church of St. Spiridon, the patron saint of Corfu, St. Spiridon, is honored in this beautiful church. Charming streets. Wander through the narrow, winding streets, admiring the colorful buildings and traditional shops. Quaint cafes. Relax and enjoy a coffee or a refreshing drink at one of the many charming cafes. Local cuisine. Savor delicious Corfu cuisine, including fresh seafood, local specialties, and pastries. Corfu town is a place where history and modernity coexist harmoniously. Its unique blend of Venetian and Greek influences, coupled with its stunning natural beauty, makes it a truly unforgettable destination. To get from Saranda to Corfu, you can take a ferry. There are two main ferry companies that operate this route. Finnickers Lines. This is the most popular option, offering frequent daily ferries between Saranda and Corfu town. The journey takes approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. Ionian Seaways. This company also offers ferry services between Saranda and Corfu, with both high-speed and conventional ferries available. The journey time varies depending on the ferry type. How to book your ferry ticket. Online. You can book your ticket online through the ferry company's websites or through a ferry booking platform like Ferryhopper. At the port, you can also purchase tickets at the port in Saranda, but it's recommended to book in advance, especially during peak season. Check the ferry schedule. Ferry schedules can vary depending on the season, so it's best to check the latest information before your trip. Arrive early. Arrive at the port well in advance to check in and board the ferry. Pack essentials. Bring necessary documents, such as your passport or ID card, and any required travel documents. Consider luggage. If you have luggage, make sure to check the baggage allowance and any additional fees. Currency. While the official currency in Albania is the lek, euros are widely accepted in tourist areas like Saranda. By following these tips, you can easily plan your ferry trip from Saranda to Corfu and enjoy a smooth journey across the Ionian Sea. Saranda is a coastal city in southern Albania, known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. It's a popular tourist destination, especially during the summer months. Here are some of the highlights of Saranda. Beautiful beaches. Saranda boasts several beautiful beaches, including the popular Blue Eye Spring, a natural spring with crystal clear water. Ancient ruins. The city is home to ancient ruins, such as the Likurzi Castle, offering panoramic views of the city and the Ionian Sea. Lively promenade. The waterfront promenade is lined with cafes, restaurants, and bars, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a night out. Boat trips. Take a boat trip to the nearby islands, such as Kasamal, known for its pristine beaches and turquoise waters. Delicious food. Enjoy fresh seafood, traditional Albanian cuisine, and international dishes at the many restaurants in Saranda. Saranda is a wonderful destination for those seeking a relaxing beach holiday, cultural experiences, and stunning natural beauty. The Blue Eye, Sari I Kalta in Albanian, is a stunning natural spring located near Saranda, Albania. It's a popular tourist destination known for its crystal clear water and mesmerizing blue color. Why is it called the Blue Eye? The water source is a deep, dark blue hole that looks like a giant eye, hence the name. The water is incredibly clear, and you can see the depth of the spring, which is estimated to be over 50 meters. The Blue Eye is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Saranda. Its natural beauty and serene atmosphere make it a truly unforgettable experience. Saranda's promenade is a stunning coastal walkway that stretches for over a kilometer along the beautiful Ionian Sea. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists, offering a variety of activities and stunning views. What to do on the Saranda promenade? Relax on the beach. The promenade is lined with public beaches, perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Enjoy water sports. Rent a jet ski, kayak, or paddleboard and explore the coastline. Dine at waterfront restaurants. The promenade is home to numerous restaurants and cafes offering delicious local and international cuisine. The Saranda promenade is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Saranda. Saranda offers a variety of sightseeing opportunities, combining natural beauty, historical sites, and cultural experiences. Here are some of the top things to see and do in Saranda. Kasamal Islands, a short boat ride from Saranda. These islands offer pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and opportunities for snorkeling and diving. Leki Iz Beach. This beautiful beach is known for its black sand and stunning views of the Ionian Sea. Likuzi Castle. Perched on a hilltop, this ancient castle offers panoramic views of Saranda and the surrounding area. Butrint National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Butrint is home to well-preserved ancient ruins, including a Roman amphitheatre, a Greek temple, and a Byzantine basilica. Saranda offers a diverse culinary scene, influenced by its coastal location and rich history. Here are some of the must-try dishes and culinary experiences in Saranda. Saranda offers a diverse culinary scene, influenced by its coastal location and rich history. Here are some of the must-try dishes and culinary experiences in Saranda. Grilled fish. Freshly caught fish, such as sea bass, bream, and red mullet, grilled to perfection. Seafood platters. A variety of seafood, including octopus, squid, mussels, and shrimp, served with fresh bread and local dips. Fish soup. A hearty and flavorful soup made with fresh fish, vegetables, and spices. Bayek. A flaky pastry filled with cheese, spinach, or meat. Fergies. A hearty stew made with peppers, tomatoes, and eggs, often served with bread. Tava kosi. A baked dish made with meat, vegetables, and yogurt, often served with rice. Koft. Meatballs served with a variety of sides, such as rice, potatoes, or vegetables. Saranda's diverse culinary scene offers something for everyone, from fresh seafood to traditional Albanian dishes. By exploring the local restaurants and markets, you can experience the rich flavors of this beautiful coastal city.